Hi, my name is Karen with BeechTree Labs. I'm going to be teaching you how to do an implementation on COVID. You're going to get a QR code specific to your clinic and we will provide that for you. This big QR code will be what the patients will scan or your employees will scan in order to test with us. They'll answer a few questions once they scan that QR code. They'll get their own personal QR code after that, and you'll go ahead and save that to your wallet. Take a screenshot of that and save it into your camera roll. That way if you test with us again, you just have to scan that QR code. Once the patient is done and they get their personal QR code, you will have a set of stickers that have additional QR codes on them. One will say PCRN for the nasal swab. The other will say PCRS for the saliva. You'll go ahead and scan that QR sticker first, and then it'll give you the option to scan the patient's QR code. Once you scan the patient's QR code, it'll have you verify that that's the patient that you're testing. It'll give you just a briefing of the patient's demographics. Just verify that that's who it is. You'll click I accept, and then go ahead and submit that. Once you submit it, you will go ahead and either have them give the sample of the saliva, or you'll go ahead and swab their nose and get that sample from there. After you do that, you'll cap it, put the sample in your biohazard bag, and you can send it off to us.